My day for you, my heart beats for you. Anytime when I look at you, I don't know. My Hey gorgeous fam, welcome back again to this channel. It's your baby girl here, Promise Breezy, and you're highly welcome to this channel. If this is your first time here, please kindly hit that red button that says subscribe and turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. So guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing some of the things I got from Aliexpress. Talking of shopping online, Aliexpress is one of my favorite places to shop online. So I'm going to be unboxing with you guys what I got from Aliexpress. So let's start with this hair. I'm wearing this hair is among what I got from Aliexpress. This hair, I love it a lot. It's synthetic. Yeah, this hair is synthetic hair. It's not human hair, it's not natural, it's synthetic, but I just love the fact that it's so soft. If you touch it, it's so soft, like you won't even know. Although yeah, you must know that it's synthetic, but it's so soft. It looks like natural hair by the touching of the hair. Like it's so soft and I love it. Guess how much I bought this hair? €10.59. I don't know if you guys are going to see this. I bought the hair €10.57 more. It's here, right here on my phone, and you see there are different colors, there are different styles, there are different types, but I just choose this particular one because I like this animal skin color a lot. I like animal skin color a lot, so it's one of my favorite color as well. I don't know why. I have the shoe, I have the shirts, I have many things of this animal skin color. So is it animal skin color? It's animal skin color now. So I bought this hair for €10.57 more, and it's so nice. I will recommend this hair. It's so nice. Yeah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with.
What am I doing? Okay, I'm just trying to feel the hair because I love it a lot. Actually, I bought other things. Let's unbox this. Let's check what we have here. Oh, this shirt I ordered. It's long sleeve. I like all this kind of long sleeve a lot. Wait, let me open it. Oh, is this not actually small? Okay, I ordered this as well. Oh, I ordered size M. Abby? Yeah, I ordered size M. I wish I knew I would have ordered size L because the way I'm looking at it is very small. Though I have not worn it, I'm going to wear it for you guys to see. It was actually two color on Aliexpress, but I just choose this blue color because I don't have something blue. So I'm going to be wearing this to check if it's going to size me, because the way I'm seeing it is small. The way I'm seeing it is small. So this is it. Let me wear it for you guys to see. I'll be right back. So guys, here is the shirt. Actually it's not really small. Like I said, it's not actually really small, but it's small because here is pumping out. You can see here. So here is the shirt. Let me stand for you guys to see. I don't know if you guys are going to see this clearly, but I don't want to shift my camera. I don't want to adjust it. I just want it to be there. So this is the shirt. Are you guys seeing it? I like the shirt. It's nice. I like the color as well, and you can wear it for summer. It's not bad at all for summer. It's not going to hold. It's not going to make you feel a lot of heat. So, and the hand, I don't like the hand, and it's tight a little bit, but not really much. I can still wear it, but I don't think I'm going to wear this shirt for a long time. I think if I need another one, I will order again, because this place that is opening is not good at all. It's not good. So The shirt is nice. One thing is that I wish I knew I would have ordered the size L, because this, you know, this online shopping, you can't predict the size sometimes. There's something like this. I actually ordered size M and it was bigger than me, so I just decided to take size M in this particular one as well. I'll wear a breast tube in it, then I will open this particular button that is here. I think that is how I'm going to be rocking this shirt. So the shirt is actually nice. I'm back, so let's move over to the next thing. So let's check what's next here. That shirt, I told you guys how much I ordered it, right? It's 7 euros something. Yeah, not up to 8 euro. Okay, I think this one is hair actually. This one is hair as well. So guys, this is another hair, and this one is a short hair. Whoa, it's just removing. And this as well is synthetic. So let me remove this one I'm wearing so that I can try this. I want to try everything in front of the camera, no problem. Ooh. So you see this one, I was saying let me review it well. Let me review this one well. So this one, this particular one is hairband. Like they saw it, it will look as if you tie the scarf around, you see, but this is how it just look. It's just for you to wear. It's just like wig. This is how the back is looking. So if you don't know, if someone did not actually know, you would think you tie scarf, but it's not scarf, it's just this one. The hair. The color is green, black and green. So I don't just want to order plain black. So I decided to I decided to order it with mist color. I ordered this particular one, €9.50. This is what should I call this? This one is packaging. Like if I wear this hair and snap pictures and put on Facebook, who will actually know that I got this hair for just €9? Nobody will know. This is the packaging we are talking. So it's so beautiful. I like the hair. You can also bring this down, but I just prefer to put it at the top now. This is the hair. There are different colors of the hair. There are different colors, but I just decided to choose this particular one, this green one. I like the color. Tell me if it look good on me. So this particular one and that first one, which one do you prefer? Just rate it. Let me show you guys the back. This is how the back is looking. So tell me guys, which one do you prefer? Tell me which of the hair you prefer, this one or this one. Which of them do you prefer? I think I prefer this one. I don't know why, but I just love this hair. I just like this hair. Seriously, I like it a lot. These two hair cost me like let me say 20 euros. It cost me 20 euros. So I love this hair. Tell me the one you prefer, guys. So let's move over to the next item I bought. Let's see what we have here. Oh, is this shoe? Who likes to bob this thing? I actually like playing with it. See it? Just be pressing it, and that's not why we are here. Okay, so is this shoe, this high heel, my baby, I've been waiting for you. Where have you been, baby? Where have you been? Don't mind me, Joe. So this one is high heel. You guys saw me, I think, during Insta period where I went to buy this kind of heel in Primark. That was white color, and I love it a lot, and it's so comfortable. I can wear that high heel all throughout the whole day without feeling any pain. So I decided to order more of it, although I bought that one in the store before, and I bought that one I think 19 euro, almost 20 euro. So let me check the price. I bought this from Aliexpress. I bought this particular one 16 euro 90 cents, almost 17 euro, just 10 cents, just 10 cents to be 17 euro. This one is actually nice as well, so let me wear it to see. I ordered size 39. Yeah, I normally wear size 39, 30, 39, 40.
You hurt me, you did, several times.
So guys, this heel is not bad at all. It's not bad, but I have a problem with it. It's too tight for my leg. I would have ordered size 40. Why I actually ordered size 39 is because the one I have before the one I have before is size 39. I remember when I tried size 40 in the store, it was bigger than my leg. Like, it was not just comfortable, but this one is kind of tight, but it's not bad though. I can still be wearing it to be expanding it, you know, or I can, better still, I can just put something here, so to be, if it will work that way. But I don't know, I actually like it. So let's see what we have here. Let me open it. This shoe, I ordered it as well. It's so light. I ordered the brown color. Yeah, I ordered this color. I have the white of this kind of shoe before. I have the white before, so I just ordered this brown color. So I'm going to be trying it on. The shoe is so light.
I'm better with and without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't help.
So guys, as you can see, I have tried on the shoe. The shoe is nice. I bought this for 13 euro 14 cents. See, there was different colors there, but the colors that are there, I prefer this color. That was why I took this brown color. It's nice, and the shoe is very comfortable. In fact, there was a lot of space left at the front of the shoe, so that's one thing I like about the shoe. It's going to be really comfortable. It's not going to be paining me in my leg when I wear them. So that is one thing I like about the shoe as well. In all these things I just showed you guys, which one is your favorite? Still yet, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Yeah, in all these things I just received, in all the package I just received, this is still my favorite. So guys, let me know which one is your favorite among those things I just unboxed in this video. Let me know which of them is your favorite. And right now we have come to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching to this point. If you watch out to this point and you have not subscribed, come on, what are you waiting for? Just kindly hit that red button that says subscribe and hit the notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. Means like the video. So guys, I'll see you all in my next video. For now, I'll say stay blessed and I love you all. Bye bye.